everyone, welcome to CartMonk's loyalty program series, where we break down simple, practical ways to increase repeat purchases and customer retention for Shopify stores. Quick heads up, all the loyalty and retention examples in this series are powered by Yuko because it keeps rewards, points, and customer engagement simple and profitable. Let's get straight into today's topic. If your Shopify store depends on ads for every single sale, you're paying again and again for the same customer. A points and rewards program fixes this, but only if it's simple enough that customers actually use it. Let me show you the fastest loyalty setup that actually converts using Yuko. Let's say you run a Shopify store with $3,000 or $40 average order value with a decent traffic and almost no repeat customers because you don't need a complex loyalty system. All you need is one clear reason to come back. So I'm just going to show you how you can set this loyalty program up using Yuko. All you have to do is visit this page and install Yuko loyalty points and rewards on your Shopify store. And then once you have done that, you can simply go to its dashboard, which kind of looks like this. Now click on loyalty to get into creating your loyalty program for your customers. Well, now we can decide how customers can earn and how they can redeem as well. So you have two sections right here, ways to earn and ways to redeem. Let's quickly go ahead and set that one earning rule that customers instantly get. All right. For this, I'm just going to be using a simple ways to earn, which is called place an order. So customers earn points for every order they place. Let's just click on this edit option. And once you click on the edit option, you'll be led to this page where you can edit the campaign details, starting with a name and description. I'm going to leave the name to the default name itself, and then description, if you want, can be written. Then you have points earning method, for which I'm going to use an incremented points concept, which means for every $1 spent by the customer, they can earn 1 point. All right. This is a very simple loyalty program because customers don't have to calculate. They don't hesitate. They immediately see value. Plus, if loyalty feels confusing, it actually fails. This kind of campaign never feels confusing for them. All right. Well, if you're thinking this is exactly what my store needs, you can set this up in Yuko in under 5 minutes and test it without risk. All right. So this is what the campaign is. You have other specifications you can make in the same campaign, which we are not going to touch as of now. So I'm just going to quickly enable this campaign, save it. You see now we have created a way for customers to earn points. Let's quickly go ahead and set a redemption option for them by going to ways to redeem. For this, I'm just going to be using a percentage type of discount. So let me just click on this, add another way and choose percentage discount. Here, I'm just going to go with a 5%. A reward name is entered and then the reward description. Here, you can set the points required and how much percentage it converts. I'm just going to set it to 5. So for 1 point, you have 5% discount. All right. You can also choose a coupon prefix for it and then simply save it. Just as we have so many ways for customers to redeem, you also have other ways for customers to earn, such as social share, birthday, anniversary, and stuff. All right. Why do we go for a simple reward? It's because customers can earn it in 1 or 2 orders. It feels very real and not distant. And it creates urgency to come back because this one reward does more than 5 complicated ones. All right. Now, we have created ways for them to earn and redeem. It's time for us to test it. Once this is live, customers will see their points growing. They also know exactly what those points will unlock. All right. So let me just quickly show you what happens next by taking you to the online store. Let's go ahead and purchase this one. Well, now upon going to the cart page, you'll be able to see a message that states how many points that customers can earn, which is 500 points. So let's just quickly go ahead and check this out. All right, moving on to the checkout. Now customers will also be able to redeem the points on their next order by just clicking on this rewards button, and they'll be able to see a pop-up like this and the ways to redeem section. Now simply click on this and redeem it as a coupon. You will see a coupon being generated. Now simply click on this apply code and this particular code will be applied to your current cart. That's all about creating your first loyalty program. Make sure it's easy to understand, easy to earn, easy to redeem. That's what turns one-time buyers into repeat customers.